So charitable contributions, aside from the fact that you are a giving person and a charitable person, is something that many people do because there is a tax benefit for those who are charitable and choose to itemize their taxes. So the typical person, unless they are really charitable and also own property and have other things going on, it's highly likely, at least statistically, that they would take the standard deduction. But if you are one of those people who does own property and does have things like significant charitable contributions, maybe you're paying tithe and offering or whatever the equivalent is for your faith of choice, or maybe you are just exceedingly generous to your favorite nonprofit, then you may be the type of person that chooses to itemize. And charitable contributions are a very powerful itemized deduction because they're what's called a dollar for dollar deduction. What that means is this: there are some things where you may spend a certain amount of money on them, but it doesn't mean that you get the full deduction of that purchase in terms of how much it lowers your taxable income. For example, if I make $100,000 and I buy $1,000 laptop for my business that's tax deductible, it doesn't necessarily take my taxable income as a business owner from 100,000 to 99,000. It may be that that's not a dollar for dollar deduction, meaning that I spent $1,000, but it only deducted $500 from my taxable income. Charitable contributions, however, are dollar for dollar, meaning that for every dollar that you contribute to an eligible nonprofit or three, it reduces your taxable income by that same dollar. So if you do choose to itemize, charitable contributions are not only valuable, but it's something that if you want to take that charitable contribution deduction in the current year, you have to do it before the end of the calendar year. And this is also true for things that you're donating to like Goodwill. So that's something that you can keep track of as well. And you need to make sure that you do that and have your records before the end of December 31st.